Okay. So we are going to set up the same type of equations we were working with yesterday, which was the A equals CE to the KT, right? And we were kind of working on this concept of maybe we needed to have some systems of equations in there to be able to do some solving for some of it. Sometimes we had to do that. Sometimes our C just popped right out. Okay. So 4 months after it stops advertising, a manufacturing company notices that its sales have dropped from 100,000 units per month to 80,000 units per month. If the sales follow an exponential pattern of decline, what will they be to the nearest unit after another 2 months? So we have to figure out, and it's not just decreasing by 20,000 because we're doing that exponential decrease. So it usually goes a little bit more rapidly than that. So we need to figure out a couple of points. All right. What is our initial condition? Where do we start? What was it? Yeah, we're starting at 100,000. Good job. So this is our initial condition right there. So we know at time 0 we have 100,000. What's our other number set that's in there? There's one more. Yeah, 4 months and 80,000. This is driving me crazy. I know I made it skinny for a reason, but all right, so we know that our other time measurement is 4 for the 80,000 units. Okay, normally we don't put commas in those things. All right, so I'm going to go to my formula. Remember, it is A or Y or whatever you want to call it equals CE to the KT. Okay, so looking at my green one here, what am I going to put in for my amount or my Y value? 100,000. Good. Equals CE. We don't know K. What's my time? Perfect. All right, we saw this pattern a lot yesterday in almost every problem, right? What's K times 0? What's E to the 0 power? 1. So I know that C is equal to 100,000. Okay. I'm going to take that because now my new equation, right, is 100,000 E to the KT. So I'm going to take that new equation and use it over here and try to solve for K. All right, so I am putting in what for my amount or my total? 80,000. Good. Equals the 100,000 from before. E to the K, what's my time? 4. Good. Okay, I need to isolate the E, so what am I going to do with this 100,000? Divide. Okay, so let's see. 0, 0, 0, zeros. What's 8/10 reduced to? 4/5 equals E to the 4K. All right, how do I get rid of the E? Natural log both sides. So natural log of 4/5, natural log of E to the 4K. I'll let you catch up because I know I'm going a little fast. Sorry. The only benefit to online was that you had the ability to pause Mrs. Ballard, right? Unless I was the live lesson, then I just went really fast, right? Okay. What happens with the E and the natural log? Cancel. So I've got natural log of 4/5 equals 4K. So what do I do now? Divide by 4. Could I multiply by 1/4 instead? Yeah, that might look cleaner. So if I do 1/4 natural log of 4/5 equals K. We did a lot of the dividing ones yesterday. So here's another look. Your choice. Doesn't matter which way. All right. So my official amount equation, okay, A of T equals 100,000 E to the 1/4 natural log of 4/5 T. That's a divide by there. Okay, let's go back and read the question and see what we were actually supposed to do, because I don't remember at this point. It says, if the sales follow an exponential pattern of decline, what will they be to the nearest unit after another 2 months? So what value am I actually putting in? Okay, why 6?
Oh. Because it's 2 after 4.
It's 2 more after 4, so you got to really read carefully. Okay. All right, everybody good with that? So another 2 months would be 6 months. Okay. So we're putting in a 6. So A of 6 equals 100,000 E to the 1/4 natural log of 4/5 times 6. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and help you out with the arithmetic part. Okay. I happen to have the answer here. So it turned out to be 71,544.175 units. There's something not right with my answer. Go back and read the instructions. What do I need to fix? To the nearest unit, right? So I don't want, this is in a case where they don't want the decimal point. So my nearest unit be 17554 units. It does not happen very often that they do that, but you need to watch because you never know what they may do. Okay? All right. That one was not so bad. I'm going to hit this button.